Ner malaken yam ka nas dialten kontin bar wanye linguasame ka Nuer online TV channel te kon kalere ti bi kon kaling kalere ti kategoriang anda manduni chang kon nyak malaya nong roi na guasame an wala changa jan jog wi de kel ka pai badak ron kina dang ro wi jan dang ro wi de dich ban leren kon tuok bana kaling te kon kalere bi kon kaling guasame te gor kono de koran palpinga lieng dien man yam bana right tin ban right ka kwi de ni Uganda tin content ci bare wi ke Juba rew de bana right ka kwi South Sudan police officers de ni tin ke police ni tin kontere which ka South Sudan diodian bana right ka tadan en shideni she can kum chicken lokaje ka tin kon lat korodian ngwan dien ka jeler me bana right ka kwi Dr. Yang Machar diodian bana right ka kwi nend chanak ka greater people administrative area bano nyo right ka takume ka do badan nyenya ka jere wi ka South Sudan kana do malka goran ojin bilere me bi janyo ane de kokin ke lertitine anda manduni cham kon nyak mala nong roi ne gwasame na ka jeno de kon lertiti de kon kelinkel bi kon tin yam bana ka cholinkel men na ga long o tadan dong queen channel queen support ke je leran yam beje kwen ka tok English ana ka kore bana jo explain ka tok nat ki ka tok nat bu kon chu ka mandan ande kon lingwas mane Uganda soldier in Juba. This week, new fighting started again in Upper Nile State. The clash were in Longshuk and Tonga, Panyikang County. There, these places have seen fighting many times before. Because of the renewed clashes, the Ugandan People Defense Forces, called UPDF, increased their presence in Juba. They sent more soldiers over the weekend. The reason for this deployment is not very clear. Some people believe it is connected to the fighting in Upper Nile. Others think it may be to protect important government officials in Juba. Both government, Uganda in Kampala and South Sudan in Juba, have not released an official statement. This silence has caused more speculation among citizens. Many Juba residents are now asking questions: why are Uganda soldiers needed in the capital? In the South Sudan army not enough to keep order? Or is this connected to a bigger political plan? People are worried because foreign troops in the capital often signal tension. Some citizens fear that this may mean the security situation is worse than it looks. Observers say Uganda has a history of sending troops into South Sudan. In the 2013 crisis, UPDF soldiers came to Juba to support the government. Now, their presence again raised old memories. For now, the streets in Juba remain calm, but citizens are waiting carefully for any new information. John Lincoln Magwasame, a man chalat ke kwideni Uganda. Chalat ngo ke kenin jogoti pan, chalat ngo chideni Uganda. Chiga chubre wiki Juba awaken diogo jeno wokere wiki Juba ka kwi korin ci togre wiki Longshuk kana man ci toka tonja ka Panyikang County ka panal ngai kona gwad yalti ni wal la korla teten ko jen gwad dan en la SPLA go kene SSPDF la kana Christian ke la kola kana tokten ci dama ngai kon diale ka jo chalat gwasame awa duwa badana jikurche tuoga jere wika South Sudan kam kume Dr. Yang Machar kene kume kirmi yadit deo ka jeno jen biji Uganda ka jamon UPDF rei wiki Juba awa ta danan chika ngwan ka jere wich ko teme chi denya ngwan chika chubre wich cha dibam ni ken shakanen ka torbiele ken ka ke denya ngwan along awa within this weekend ke ken nin jodati Saturday kana Sunday watch chigarodi are belong re week South Sudan kan ngwande ni nyingi Uganda do badana nunga kare week ja awaka na kon ngach ngode it is not very clear do badana kwa deploy kaja duno tenete laden wone ne re week South Sudan no beken ka kwiko re to ka panal ne to ngwalin kanene na kan lat kana Kieman weekend o dong beken ko biken kirm yadit kana bol mel beken ka bagang re wiki Juba ka jo dana chalat ngai kone kum Uganda kana kum South Sudan let ken kel badundo tel mi chikana lat ka do badan shiden Uganda shika chubre wi ka Juba ka je non ngai ka jen wode ni Uganda te karar wich ngai kon diala te ka luri kana gotin koken ante mane to wan gur kano de kan man to men non ka Uganda ka jere wi ka Juba gur kano de kana ling ante mo right now chinete wan chika do long ka teach kana diala no angum la rode angum be ji Uganda ka jere wi ka Juba mo angum non ka re capital Nating one wa tiken ko quicken do badan deji Uganda ben kaje. No. Awana me dio ko jeno take a kor me goro broda lat. Mishi dunga panal ke ngum to gore wiki Juba. Re kuma ka kirma yadit. Nating one dierken ko shade ne jor sha no re wiki capital. Awana me la ja nyu de no mishi de ni jiwin ko ken chika bere wich la ja ngai ken o take me la roda. Dongo kor ki take te to gore kuma ka. Chitke mechi tuoka gwasedan ke 2013 shwaga nongre wi ko biken were benak anyok ka kor gwade pai we chaga nyaw nongre wi ke Juba ko biken were wonak re wi ka panal karen nyalte chiken ke use gwade che gar tieni gan naktin dong kamen kanedial ka shukan were kan nak nang medit gwe ke jen wo jen do badana bikaka ko michikan me chawda ko lat ke 2013 Gwan chi UPDF soldier chikene ko lan wari kan naktin wa dew ga jen wo jalet kana mone nyok ko kur dana tuok ka panal wa kur medit ka gor ka no de kan o participate in chet kamala kana lena won namo amile ro den tam amilin kon mo gwasa me ata dana na ala kuma kirma yadit ka jen gwasa na kona ngaje no michi kur mi tuok la kan ji Uganda la kan ka ko be kan ka ko yo and then chermangai kon waram kel ka kala de kela bude ke yo to chop ko kudang ro US dollar dio je kon dia la ngaje mi chen money la de kel be bud ke 200 US dollar gwan modini SSPDF dong buran ke real kel ke euro ke pai bo ke bene $6 ko ken dini SSPDF ke dini janen kontin tere wichin winami wari udien dial no wachush ken tel makam ke yo mi kulo kori ba kulo moy ke metot alo kwala use la tool ka jodan chalat so jolin kon mo gwat me biadil ngaje no kuma Uganda sheben re wich ka Juba ka dobe be ke jegwe ke jeno gorge jeno ba jena ka penal ke ba jena bor joma gwano de kon dialing ka dobe dan en che to ko je ko te dum wan long to lat karodien a jo ban nyog milin kon gwaseme a jo mo chalat do ne take police ni tijit de chicken pal re wich ka South Sudan ka Juba ki across South Sudan ne ri chobke kin dangwan ena tichikan de chicken pal ka ta dan shan ke je ke gwe ke jen woken de kan kor ko tama la nan kan din la kan nang kor ba nan gwa dan ten wote ke tin bugo nyin kan wore chan jo me chan jamilin kel ka do dan en chalat ke je. Over 4,000 officers from the South Sudan National Police Service have abandoned their duties. This is a very serious development. The officers left their job because of long delay in salaries and poor working conditions. Sources reveal that some officers have waited up to 1 full year without receiving any pay. This situation forced many of them to leave the force. They are now looking for other ways to support their family. The resignation has created big worries. Many regions may now have fewer police officers to provide security. This leaves ordinary citizens more vulnerable to crime and violence. Some officers spoke secretly to reporters. They say they feel very frustrated and hopeless. One officer said, "I cannot continue to serve my country when my children have no food to eat." Another say, "We risk our life every day, but the government has abandoned us." So far, leader of the South Sudan Police Service and the Ministry of Interior have not made any statement. But pressure is now very strong on the government. People are demanding quick action to fix this crisis. So jom shit kana me milin kona me ata dan shi polinere we ka South Sudan ti karoi keja. Tala de polinde chopke kin dangwan chi karodian barre we ke Juba. Chicken barodian lo woka we dadian batikare which bada kana shushkan. Kan polinta to kanedi kona le ka South Sudan National Police Service. kana wa chicken duty ni kien kilet kien kono de kan kala ta dan de na ganga je wa chicken ga ban pin na mani ami beje long a kan den kono chi jene ti kin dang wan wa chicken let to chicken ka pel ko kene na kene kan ka kam yokin kan ka kam salaries aja kene ti ka poor condition gwan motel kon mi tekake dikala do nene chine lep ko korun ka gwan motel kon mi jengne tele yo to kam kane so ngum de ne serve ko je ka cha tik da cha jagang gad ko men ko de ko ngukule cham ka jena dana kwala gorno mishi lati kule jigba kule moy ka dor ano cha salary cha ga bungun lat kene na me akel mi jangne ko abnero da woj akeneri chedita long ke situation we kamere banarode Yineti wan chiga jian ray de ka latne kondi la police ni. Antama katin latken gor kan rana odar shi mandar ka support di. Ko ken chush kan ka chonmi di telekon misham kana. Enona. Chala de onetin kontin chi jian de ka tela police ni. Wa chi kering di chikana nongre yuka so Sudan ko antama. Chika gwan mi di chikana pel madong break buka let ka jam. Ko tama ne de kontin bilat bika la police ni te tot. Chicken bungwan ko chi rudian chik rodian bar ray polisa tala do jagane diala kontin tere wika Sudan ko vikan tere shushka kane ko na la chur ko chur tama mital police ni la gor kan no bikan ka machine ke daga na de kan kanak watching na chicken vulnerable along ka dueren kon lat ka kaka ka do badan violent umre ben rode ray wika Sudan ate karam kel mi chiro ka kane de kon la dine ke police tatone jala de wonene a jane kon kine tel shabdo dien medene she man ko de ne kalwa kaja no a jane chine de ngot kam serve ne ke lene wujika gwan mo gad ko ke she man ko dial shush kana tel kon misham kana jaram ke che jala de wonene ba jen tek da cha bech a jen mi jene re kuma kaka je tel kon ngai kone re wika Sudan choje chuina kaja aneti kon la kware wika Sudan police service kana minister of interior tele michi kana lat tele estermen michi kana made kata dana shuj police ni kaja bachala do police ti chop ke kindang wan charden bar ka do badana dong shuj kan kaja re kuma ka chajo mo chajo kwen ke mi shoda lat entema bana je ngajen go nene neti kontila police ni shuj kan ka do mi tele kon medan chan rajo nene bon mele jene be yobe kangun yoten kontila salaries baka kam civil servant te polineten na te lat kum tikatin a wona king yake teacher a mene government worker ne diala kontin tere which ka Sudan ti la de ni ti lat ka kum wa de ken yuken de ken ka jengna chiang ka chang yandang ro dungwan no ka pai so mi chi na mo ken bon mele kana jalalet so chi mi chi na mo che tuɔɔk sharing mudi cheje nong ajen mo entama kwa kumu kwa ja abandon ne re kon la police ni pelkan let ken ko kana ne chine de let ketel kon misham ne kana tel reason mo de ne te ka je kune country serve ketel salary te jeng ne ka ku she manako gad ko ku ko le shuj tel kon misham kana ko continue gwa de mere which la ne go de ne ta da ne chine ko chiki shuj ka je de ne re alaka ke she manaken kana mo chine gorno de ne lalet chikala de wo chine goro no binelo ngot kami lanei alanei timo buguj bukan ladeka ka chushi maneko chikane logon mishit kana mo ka jo dane chikan lat keje ngai kon dial mudan le rode and go atwok let us now look more closely at the police crisis. The South Sudan National Police Service is supposed to be the main law enforcement body in the country, but now more than 4,000 officers have already walked away. The reason is very simple. They are not being paid. In some cases, officers waited 10 months. In other cases, a full year passed without any salary. Because of this, many officers could not take care of their families. They could not pay school fees for their children. They could not buy food in the market where prices keep rising every month. They could not pay rent or medical bills. As a result, these officers felt they had no choice. They left their uniform behind and started looking for other work. Some joined private security companies. Some went to border town to do a small trade. Others may simply return to farming to survive. This situation is very dangerous for the country. When police are not present, law and order become weak. Criminal groups may increase their activities. Armed robberies, theft, and local conflict can rise quickly. Citizens are already saying they feel less safe. In some towns, there are no visible police officers at night. Community members are now trying to protect themselves. Civil society groups are asking the government to pay police salaries immediately. They warn that the longer this crisis continues, the weaker security will become. International partners are also worried. Some say the government must find urgent solution to avoid total collapse of the police force. So many economy, there is still no official statement. The government remains silent, but pressure is building. Mishit kaname amelin koname ta dana chideni chike jian kaja. Awaken chicken dul gorka gan ken chicken long kam yur kanapin. Ken lakan runa nang ke pet teterial majagrana. Ano kajin michi yo chike jak selja salary angum dere country dere self no. Kajan kuiga na mo ki police ni chike jian chikanu kuchi mana ken ko bran bolet. Koken chicken dul gorka gan ken chicken longa European chicken konadan de chamagat ken chicken longa mu European pin ke kuja mo chicken kuja no ngono brand bejen watch rudian chicken jian ko cha mo kayo chitandian chicken let ka kampan to koken no lo let ken ka company la security private security companies chiko letten tandian chi wona ka obigran wi agwanya gat ka len business chitandian chiko wo lo purken erin mu chicken me anga nonga mo nonga kume ko gwame telepolinitin la rikti ngwa la kana tuoko no chema ngai kono no South Sudan liuna ne chang especially Western Equatoria liuna ne chang tin ka tako tele security teram gangran so gore jeno ba wij ba je gang gore jeno ba netin kon tin la jiwich tin gang ka wich den ba dil mo kayo ko biken service mo gwa kan kulo top Canadian country la jewit but ka jawlat kana gwasame kana chike chujo long ka kuiko ci police ni ci ken jien ci kana to ci kana ngor gonten kono teketen ci kana tam ci kana served jem nena dilia ka je bnad bu ka ben ka wer bana ba kana ga ken Canadian country la chuer no bi ka jien lora ba nga teram bu ka bu kudien awa some areas within Juba ba changa police teleke ke some counties level so mu nyudan wodi wachi chian kuma kacha bech gwan mo tele salary mo kam kana kwa kumre jogono jin pay the salary pay net in county la jewit jangne jiwi ko kan be can feel served mo nyere kon la police ni ka yo ka le ladien so jo me mishalat lera bana nyok mu kwen kon pingwas me bana rach ka kwi Dr. Yang Machar Ngay korik tung wana ko na Saudi lat re which ka South Sudan ka apanal amena go diatin koken bana duptin content chalat gwasm bana kelinken pelirod pinko jin bikelinga gwa ka do badan en chagalat kija tension are rising again in Apanal state and in Jonglei state. This come after a report that Dr. Yang Machar, the SPLMIO leader, is under house arrest. Many members of SPLMIO are angry about this. They believe the peace agreement is now in danger. The SPLMIO deputy chairman, Honorable Oye Nathaniel, has already given an order. He told their forces to increase pressure near Dolip Hill. This is a strategic area outside Malakal town. This move is a strong warning. It's seen as a threat to Malakal, one of the most important towns in Apanal. Both the government and the SPLMIO are now reinforcing their position. This means more soldiers are being sent to different front lines. The chances of new clash is now very high. Already, there has been fighting in Tonja, and SPLMIO troops have withdrawn from Wurjok training camp. These developments show that hostilities are increasing. Civil society groups are now warning of possible mass displacement. If the clash is spread, thousands of families may flee from their homes. International partners, including regional organizations, are calling for calm. They are asking both sides to show restraint and not destroy the peace deal. Many citizens fear that the peace agreement may collapse completely. Otherwise, the peace is already collapsed. South Sudan cannot afford another full war. Kir is being asked to release Dr. Machar, but he say nothing. African Union, IGAD, including international community, have called for reconciliation. They call Kir Mayadit to release Dr. Machar and allow Riek Machar to participate in the 2018 peace agreement. And yet still Kir did not respond. Jawlin kwana magwaseme amendana shalat. Bana jeling in detail ka doba dana chatwoka ja. Ngai kon kur dana tuwok and tema ka panal state ka jonglei. Ano, ano chikur chatwok ne pan ka ja. Chikon di almu chana machana jangach. Kuma Dr. Machar, SPLIO leader, ngai kon and go take katijan kanan nalun. Dundo members Kennedy Niken, just Lodian K. Lukan Mandan and Latke Kim Yadid Gaken. A Kenya Yanke Dr. Machar Kajamo, a Mumacharing Machar Chajalun, but Chikim Yadid Chajaling, Mishet Kanamane. Chikuma Spelayo, Deputy Chairman, Honorable or yet Nathaniel or yet. Then she ordered Chijitup. Chaneka Dialan content Gwanakian, K. De Nikian Dial, Jaga Jogono Real Rodunaka. Real Rodunaka. Ko yin biya kur biya jeter ko na me jetel chapter dobdo dien ba ko terkeje gero bna bigdil nyen ray wuchen gineme kinatenelo yette jo mo che jitup ko ba mi chikene me ba jelat ko shagu je no en kirme yadi chegoro bi malbe ben so kuje mo ci kume SPLA yayo ci kare shugu je no ko tele ka chosh akenne men gune tama o bnei kur bnei ter lo gang ne roda. No. So again, Nanyantama, what tension is very high. Kapanal, Gwenda Dialan Cocaine. She honorable or yet Nathaniel, she allowed one, she ordered Chijitup. She neck Dialan Condila Kumas Filayo, Cheka Jogono, Rebe do live hill, Rebe Jaka nating one, ke de knitting one, the Jomo Chijitup. Alagui Conantama, Malakal, Tererica. Titang bukorba talk. Jo me go rejeno de janwaga yekel. Mijiram jidit gwaseme. Go no please der janwaga ne de kokien. So lere jo gwad me mbenwaga yekel. Aman chitu ke great people administrative area. Gwan mi mo chaji nyagat ka dangraw chaka nekten. Banyo jikler redian and be atakamal bye bye.